What's up, people? I hope you all having a wonderful week. If you have ever wanted to have a quick overview of your data without going through too much coding, then you should definitely try Pandas Profiling. So, what is Pandas Profiling? Pandas Profiling is like an open source Python module that can generate an HTML report, providing a quick exploratory analysis of your data. So without any further ado, let's see how to use it. So the first thing you have to do is to install Pandas Profiling using this pip command. And in my case, everything is already installed, so it doesn't take too much time. Then you have to import Pandas Profiling as PDP. This is what I did here. Then the data will be analyzing is available on my GitHub, and we can have it using this URL. So for my data URL, I simply read my data using pandas read CSV function. Then here is where the magic happens. You can like simply call pandas profiling profile report class, providing your data set. So let's run this with, let's see, few seconds or few minutes, not even few minutes. And the execution speed depends also on your internet speed. And as you can see here, we have the report already generated by Pandas Profiling. We have basically few sections. The first one is the overview of your attributes. Some of you might see features in your data set. We can see that we have overall 11 variables. We have 7 numerical and 4 categorical. So that's the first part. The second part is an overview of each variable. We can see here for rank variable, we have number of distinct values provided here. The number of missing value, we have 0, the percentage of missing value. The minimum is 1 and the maximum is 16,600. So this is the kind of information we can have for each attribute. Then after that, what do we have? We have the second part, which is an interactive report. So these interactive reports can provide also information about, in our case, we can see for each attribute. Let's say I take year attribute. For year, we have this heat map plots, which we can have also for each of attribute taken 2 by 2. And then we also have the correlations. We have a Spearman correlation, the person's correlation, and so on and so forth. We have, let's say, have a look at the person's correlation. For each attribute, we have all this information. The number of missing values. Also, we have the counts of missing values for each attribute. And also, we have the first 10 rows of a data set and the last 10 rows of a data set. Imagine you had to do all of these coding. Man, that will take a lot of time. But using Pandas Profiling, you just have to like run, let's say, one line of code and you have all this information. That's it. Then I think that might be your go-to tool next time when you want to explore, like perform a quick exploratory analysis on your data. I hope you liked this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.